Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you this warm brown eyeshadow tutorial, and for this tutorial I will use Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and concealer I will use from Wet n Wild. First thing, I will apply concealer to prime my eyes. You can use whatever brand you have. So first I am using the light orangish color as a transition color, and I am using medium blending brush. So guys, as you know, this is my transition color. I am trying to blend this as much as I can, and after this I am using this warm orange brown color and we will blend them together. Beginner and struggling with the big blending brush, you can use small blending brush also. So after this I will apply burgundy color all over on my lid, and I will blend them all together. Blending is the key guys. Blend them very well. They should not look separate. You have to blend them properly. Now the blending part is complete, and I am using gel eyeliner from Maybelline. So now I am using an angular brush here. You can use whatever brush you have. There is no any hard and fast rule to use same brush like I am using. Now I'm doing my lash line area, and I'm using same color like I used on my lid, and we will blend them very precisely. So for kajal I will use Nykaa Black Magic Kohl. Guys, I have used every product which is affordable for everyone, and I will try and maintain in my upcoming videos also that I will use affordable products only. Now I'm curling my eyelashes, and I will use mascara from the brand Essence. So now lastly lashes part, and I am done with my lashes, and this look is also complete, guys. I have shown you each and every step, and if you learned something, then please do like, subscribe and share, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye, take care guys.